Hey everyone! Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another awesome video. Making a YouTube channel can be hard. In my experience, it takes a combination of three things: discipline, skill, and money. If you have discipline, you can build skills over time. But what if you don't have any money? How will you get the software you need to make faceless YouTube videos, gain millions of views, and catapult yourself to fame and fortune? I just might have the answer to that. Today, we're going to share with you a secret free text-to-video AI tool no one knows about. You won't believe what this tool can do. So without further ado, let's dive right in and explore this amazing technology together. Prepare to be astonished and stop everything you're doing because I have a mind-blowing revelation for you. Brace yourself for an AI-powered text-to-video tool that will revolutionize your world. Get ready to say goodbye to the tedious tasks of recording videos, appearing on camera, and laborious editing. This tool does it all with just a simple text prompt. It's beyond cool. It's awe-inspiring. Are you ready? Before we dive into the amazing demo, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Now let's talk about the incredible website you need to visit, www.augslabs.com. It's a game changer when it comes to effortlessly creating engaging videos. And guess what? The tool is currently in beta, which means you have the opportunity to be one of the early adopters. Here's what you need to do. Click on the provided link and fill out a short form. Once submitted, you can expect to gain access within just 24 hours. Talk about speedy service. Keep an eye on your inbox because you'll receive an email with further instructions. Simply click on that email, follow the prompts, and voila! You'll have your account set up in no time. It's as simple as that. Now that you're all set up, let's jump into the exciting demo and witness the magic in action. Get ready to be blown away. Now let's talk about what happens after you've successfully set up your account or received the link. It's time to explore the next step on this exciting journey. Prepare to visit the following destination, beta.meetogy.com. This is where the magic happens. It's the platform where you'll create your account and unlock the full potential of this incredible tool. As I mentioned before, the tool is currently in beta, but don't let that fool you. It's nothing short of amazing. In fact, it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making your experience a breeze. Allow me to demonstrate by logging into my personal dashboard and giving you a glimpse of what awaits you. Once you're inside, you'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward interface that is a joy to navigate. It's a sight to behold. So without further ado, let's dive into the heart of the tool and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Now, let's take a sneak peek inside the tool itself. Brace yourself because what you're about to see may seem deceptively simple, but it holds immense power. Here it is, the tool's inner workings revealed. At first glance, you might find the interface pretty basic, and that's okay. But let me assure you, behind its unassuming appearance lies a world of creative possibilities. Behold, watch closely as I play this mesmerizing video that poses an intriguing question. Why do some people like to go for walks in the rain? The answer is surprisingly delightful, because we love the smell in grass. Isn't it fascinating? Now here's the mind-blowing part. All I did was provide the tool with this simple text input, and it worked its magic by seamlessly combining various images and videos to create this captivating visual masterpiece. I didn't have to lift a finger. Just think about the time and effort you'll save by harnessing the power of this tool. It automates the entire process, leaving you with more time to focus on other important tasks. It's truly a game changer. Let's dive now into the exciting part, creating a quick video. Imagine you have a client in mind and you want to bring their vision to life. Here's what you need to do. Simply copy the text prompt they provided, as that will serve as our creative fuel. Once you have it ready, hit that magical create button and behold the options that unfold before you. You'll notice a couple of avenues to explore. You can either upload existing content from your computer, unleashing your creativity in a whole new way. Alternatively, you can embark on a recording journey, capturing your thoughts and ideas directly. In our case, we'll embark on an exciting adventure called text to video. This is where the real magic happens. Now here's the cool part. Remember that text prompt I mentioned earlier? Well, let's give it some brevity, injecting it with a concise burst of inspiration. Watch closely as I remove unnecessary elements, leaving only the essence of the message. By doing so, we'll prompt the tool to swiftly generate a video that perfectly encapsulates our vision. Get ready to witness the power of automation in action as we embark on this creative journey. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Brace yourself for another fascinating aspect of this process. Once you have your text prompt ready, get ready to infuse it with captivating voices. Here's where the fun begins. Allow me to introduce you to our voice selection feature. Now prepare for a vocal symphony, my audio adventurers. Below the enticing word prompt is a world of voice delights waiting to be discovered. Rachel, Josh, Adam, Bella, Domi, Arnold, Eli, Sam, Anthony, and many other creative voices are at your disposal, much like a chorus.
Hi, my name is Rachel, and I'll be narrating your Augie today.
Hi, my name is Domi, and I'll be narrating your Augie today.
Hi, my name is Josh, and I'll be narrating your Augie today.
Please choose your favorite voice and let its fascinating tones bring your video to life. For this video, we can try out Domi. Take a moment to listen and enjoy the auditory delights as you search for the ideal match. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity of the input we provided. It's merely the transcript we shared and the voice we selected. Prepare to be amazed because these voices are incredibly lifelike. Let me know what you think of the voices in the comments. You'll find yourself immersed in the narrative as the authenticity of the voices brings your video to life. It's truly a remarkable experience. Now let's explore the next exciting step. It's time to add those essential elements that enhance your video's visibility and relevance. I'm referring to keywords, my friend. You have the freedom to include up to 5 keywords that truly encapsulate the essence of your video or business. In this case, let's go with business, door, lock, and security, since they perfectly align with the content and focus of our video. So let's populate our Augie with these keywords. Keep in mind that while we refer to it as a video, it's important to understand that what you're creating here is an Augie. That's the term the company uses to describe the final product generated by this remarkable tool. So go ahead and hit that create button, and now it's time for you to sit back, relax, and let the magic unfold before your eyes. In just a matter of moments, your Augie will come to life. And voila, look at that, it's already telling us the video's runtime. Let's click the next button and proceed. Take note of the valuable information presented. The video's length is confirmed, as well as the number of scenes that have been chosen to captivate your audience. Now here's the mind-blowing part. Think about the time this tool has saved us. If we were to create this video manually, it would have taken hours of our precious time, going to free sites like Pexels and Pixabay to collect stock images and combine them in a video editor. But thanks to this incredible tool, we accomplished it in under a minute. Astounding, isn't it? Now let's not waste any more time. It's time to hit that play button and behold the masterpiece we've created together. As the video unfolds, pay close attention to the flawless alignment between the visuals, videos, and images that perfectly complement the script. It's truly remarkable. And guess what? You have the option to download this phenomenal video by simply clicking right here. Once downloaded, you can effortlessly share it on your preferred social media platforms, further amplifying your reach and engagement. Isn't it remarkable how this tool streamlines the entire video creation process, empowering you to save time while delivering exceptional results? This is just the beginning of what this tool can do for you. So buckle up and get ready to embark on an exciting journey of effortless video creation. Now let's delve into a few noteworthy features. Imagine this scenario. You come across an image in your Augie that doesn't quite resonate with your vision. No worries, my friend, because you have the power to make it right. With a simple click, you can replace that image and ensure it aligns perfectly with your desired aesthetic. You have multiple options at your disposal. First off, you can choose to upload an image of your own, providing a personal touch to your Augie. Alternatively, you can rely on the AI's ingenuity to generate an image for you. The choice is yours. In this case, let's go with the option to replace. With a swift search, a myriad of enticing images awaits you. Take a look at the array of possibilities before you. For instance, let's say I want to use this particular image right here. A quick click, and just like that, the chosen image takes center stage, seamlessly integrating into your Augie. Isn't it wonderful how this tool puts the creative control in your hands? It's all about personalization and making sure every aspect of your Augie resonates with your unique style and vision. So go ahead, explore the possibilities, and watch as your Augie transforms into a masterpiece that truly represents you. Oh, the possibilities are endless. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the incredible features at your fingertips. Get ready to unleash your creativity and take your Augie to the next level. Let's start with the assets and images. It's like having a treasure trove at your disposal. Go through them one by one, carefully curating your Augie to perfection. Replace any image that doesn't quite hit the mark. Whether you upload an image from a link or your computer, or let the AI generate stunning visuals for you, the choice is yours. The power is in your hands. Now let's talk about the transcript. It's like the backbone of your Augie. Take a moment to appreciate the text that brought your vision to life. It's right there, waiting to be fine-tuned and transformed into an engaging video experience. But wait, there's more. Get ready to enhance your Augie with captivating filters. Play around with different effects to add that extra touch of magic. How about a classic black and white aesthetic? Or perhaps a high contrast look? The options are endless and the choice is yours. Take control and make your Augie shine. And let's not forget about the power of music. Elevate your Augie to new heights by adding a captivating soundtrack. Inject emotion, rhythm, and energy into your video with just a few clicks. Watch as the perfect music complements the visuals, creating a truly immersive experience for your audience. The time-saving potential of this tool is mind-boggling. Imagine the countless hours you'll save by effortlessly creating stunning marketing videos. Share them on your social media platforms. Use them as eye-catching advertisements. The possibilities are limitless. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know about Augie, the secret free text-to-video AI tool no one knows about. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to make $700 per day posting no-face videos on YouTube. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to make $700 per day posting no-face videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.